everybody and welcome to Marty Motoring. In this video, we're testing the 0 to 60 time on my now supercharged Lexus IS350 with its current setup, exhaust and tires and everything. In the very near future, I'll be changing the exhaust to an X-Force exhaust with the Varex mufflers, so that should help performance being a true dual system. I'd like to maybe get some beefier rear tires. I have Michelin Pilot 4S's right now, and they seem to spin. So I need to get something a little bit more grippy and wider with the extra power. Also, something else that can help is a limited slip differential, so I'm looking into that as well. So keep that in mind as you see this time. It's not the best 0 to 60 time ever, and I don't think it even shows the car's full capability, but it was still a fun video to make, so enjoy. So this is the device I'm using. It's called a Dragy. It's a GPS-based system with an app. I'm enjoying this car. I really like how it builds boost in some of the gears. You can kind of hear it. This warehouse, just gonna see what this thing can do. This is probably like the 5th run. You can also see that I lose traction in the higher RPMs. That's something else I've noticed after a week of having this boosted. Drop in the comments what you think, what the next mod should be. Exhaust is definitely next, but maybe after that, we still have some other stuff to do. I'm trying to make these videos as people request them. 0 to 60 was requested, so here it is. I tried to go to this warehouse and not get kicked out. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and follow along for more Lexus videos. And as always, keep those wheels turning.